You don't know. This is your boy Charles Douglas from TD Drones Reviews. Tonight I will be reviewing the RFID blocking wallets. Slim case, nice design. So you don't know, we're gonna get right into it. Okay, so as you can see here, we have some nice lightweight wallets in front of me, and they're basically RFID blocking wallets. So they are extremely lightweight and they will last you many years before falling apart, even under heavy physical day-to-day abuse. They are spacious, especially these ones. You have different, they are spacious, they have the medium sizes. You could put money and different things inside. Very light as you could hear it. You could see the inside. It has this to release a release switch for the wallets. I mean, a release switch for the cards to come out. To push the cards out so you could select what you need to select. These right here, they hold 7 cards, up to 7 cards. Also, they have, as you can see, this version has the pocket for bills or anything you want to put in there. This one has, this one can hold up to 14 cards. It also has additional pockets, as you can see, for bills. And these are just mainly for cards only. So they come in various different colors to choose from. Stainless steel rugged, compact design for the minimalists out there. So all you minimalists, go ahead, go to Celta Curaçao and pick up one of the RFID blocking wallets. These wallets are sponsored by Celta Curaçao. The latest cell phones, the latest accessories for your cell phones. You also could get your cell phone repaired. You could get your computer repaired as well, diagnosed and checked. Bluetooth accessories, external battery chargers, or PlayStations. You want to get your consoles, your home gaming system. Just go to Celtec. They will definitely take care of you there. Located at Goisco shopping center, you could go there and get all the latest devices. You don't know, latest tech. These wallets are basically to hold your credit cards. They are to prevent your RFID from being scanned by hackers. Okay, so people have always been concerned about RFID chips, not just in credit cards. They also have those chips in passport. You could find you could find them implanted in the dogs. Basically, all those RFID chips are used for tracking. Okay, so the RFID chip, it works by using radio waves to communicate. These credit cards, they contain an RFID tag with information, and the RFID reader uses radio waves to read the information off of the tag. So the key is to be able to have the reader get the information without having to initiate communications. All right. So, but that's once it's close enough. So the RFID, the credit card and the reader have to be very close to each other. But that is why it is easy to scan a card through your pocket. So save the headache. Get yourself one of these wallets. Okay. And these wallets, as I say, is to block hackers. So the good thing is that radio waves are very easy to block and interrupt. Okay. And these wallets that you see here, they has the material to interfere with radio waves. As you could see, they are properly constructed. Basically, you could see, they are properly constructed, lightweight. The material they are made from is capable to interfere with radio waves. Good. As you could see, they are properly constructed. It will definitely block all electromagnetic fields and prevent communication between your cards and the RFID scanner. So protect your data. The possibility is always there, and the chance of being scanned is also possible. If you're willing to pay for peace of mind, then get yourself one of these RFID wallets, because peace of mind can be priceless. And these wallets are basically affordable. They come in different colors, as you could see in front of you here, and definitely well worth the value. It's important to always know the warning signs of digital identity theft, so you're never caught off guard. So yeah, just get yourself one of these wallets. So you're done now. That was the review of the RFID blocking wallets, sponsored by Celtic Curacao. It's your boy Charles Douglas from TD Jones Reviews. Look out for our next one coming at you soon. You're done now.